Do you know what tutorial hell is? Even do you know what AI hell is? Stop just learning AI. Stop just learning coding. Start doing today. Do a real project, not a fake one. Hello everyone, and welcome to our live course. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. Many of you know me from the Discord server I've been running for over 2 years. We used to host live classes regularly, but we paused them for a while, and I want to tell you why. When most people learn coding, they fall into the tutorial hell. You watch tutorial after tutorial, but never build anything of your own. You follow along line by line, but you don't actually create a project. So today, we're flipping that script. Instead of endless tutorials, we'll learn by doing. You'll pick a real project, dive in, and only look up new concepts when you absolutely need them. On top of that, there's a new challenge. I call it AI hell. Every morning brings the latest AI breakthrough new tools, new models, new headlines. It's exciting, but also overwhelming. If you focus on learning every new AI technology, you never get anything done. What's cutting edge today becomes outdated tomorrow, even within weeks or days. So rather than chasing every AI trend, we'll use AI as a practical tool to build projects right now. We're not here to study AI for its own sake. We're here to leverage it to create real work. Just as you wouldn't spend months memorizing syntax without writing code, you shouldn't study every AI model without applying it. You should integrate AI into your projects from day one, using AI to get design ideas, build a basic prototype and draft code, add more and more features to develop a significant project with AI. Write user manuals, documentation, and test cases. Test the project and get ideas for how to improve it or add new features. Whatever work you need to do, first think if you can ask AI to do it. When you use AI to power your work, you're no longer stuck in theory. You become a builder. Today's AI tools let you package them into your applications, boost your productivity, and showcase tangible results. That hands-on approach not only teaches you faster, it builds a portfolio that speaks louder than any resume. Let me share a success story. One of my students had zero coding experience and had never used Linux or GitHub. She thought she needed to learn every programming concept before building anything. In just 2 weeks with me, she learned how to create videos with FFmpeg and Python using OpenAI's text, image, and audio APIs within a GitHub Codespaces Linux cloud container. She went from never touching code to delivering a polished video project complete with containerized workflow send, proudly shared it with my other students and her friends. To keep this momentum going, our live classes will meet twice a week vary Tuesday and Friday. On Tuesdays, we'll introduce new project concepts and tools, and on Fridays, we'll review your progress, troubleshoot challenges, and refine your workflows. My goal is to guide you, answer your questions in real time, and ensure you're always moving forward on your own projects. So, let's get started. No more tutorial traps, no more endless AI distractions, just real projects, real AI tools, and real progress. I can't wait to see what you build.